In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use N8n and build your very first automation, all without writing a single line of code. This guide is perfect for beginners and anyone keen to harness the power of automation in their workflows. Stick around for just a few minutes and let's get started on this exciting journey together. First, we'll begin by navigating to the N8n website. N8n is a powerful automation platform that allows you to create workflows effortlessly. Once you're on the home page, the very first thing you'll want to do is sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It only takes a few minutes, and once you're logged in, you'll have unlimited creative power at your fingertips. After signing in, you'll land on the N8n dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub where all the action takes place. And from here, you can visualize your automations, monitor their progress, and make tweaks as needed. Now, cast your eyes around and locate the Create Workflow button. Give it a click. This is where the real fun begins. As you embark on building your workflow, the very first thing you need is a trigger node. Think of trigger nodes as the sparks that ignite the rest of your automation process. They determine what action, event, or condition will kickstart the entire sequence. So, go ahead and add a trigger node that best suits your automation needs. Next up, it's time to add an action node. Action nodes are the steps that happen following the trigger. These are the tasks or operations that you want to execute, like sending an email, updating a database, or posting a tweet. Choose an action node that aligns with your workflow's objectives and incorporate it right after your trigger. Once the structure of your workflow is in place, the moment has come to test it. Testing is a crucial step in building a robust automation. It's your chance to confirm that everything is functioning as expected. Run the workflow and carefully observe how each node performs its task. If something's amiss, don't worry. The dashboard gives you the freedom to make adjustments on the fly. As you can see, building your first automation with N8n is both simple and incredibly rewarding. With these foundational steps, you are now capable of constructing efficient workflows that save you time and effort. Remember, while our tutorial today covered basic steps, N8n holds endless possibilities for more advanced and complex automations. So, feel free to explore further and experiment with new nodes and connections. Thank you for joining me today in creating your first automation with N8n. I hope this has been informative and empowers you to enhance your productivity through the intuitive world of automation. Happy automating!